Hey guys, this is Tramboy70. Today, I got something from eBay. It just released on eBay. It's a Bachmann Topham Hatt family figures. It came with Topham Hatt, Lady Hat, Dowager Hat, Stephen, and Bridget. So here's the front, and there's the back of it. So let's unbox it. So let's do it. Sorry about that, guys. I have to do it carefully. There we go. There's the thing. I'm just going to set it on here. Sorry about that. Hang on a second. There's Dowager Hat. So Topham Hatt. Lady Hat. Stephen. And Bridget. Let's take a look at them. Here's the Topham Hatt. Lady Hat. Dowager Hat. Stephen. And Bridget. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.